That was a very unpracticed version of Romance Part 1. That's the easy part. Okay, so it's just a simple classical song, and it's very simple in fact, except there's a couple of tricky bits, as you could see there, that I struggled with. So those tricky bits you basically have to practice a lot to get them. The rest of it's dead easy, so I'll just go through the tricky bits. First of all, you'll notice that the sheet here is numbered down the side. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. That's the bar numbers. So I'm going to refer now to the bar numbers. So when I refer to bar number 12, you look here, 10, 11, 12. That's the bar number. The third bar on the fourth line. Makes it easier to understand what's going on. That's why we put those bar numbers on. Okay, so it's a song that's in the key of E. It goes from E, goes to A, to B7, and then back to, back to E again to finish. So it's just like any normal pop song actually. 1, 4, 5 and 1. So the difficult bits as we go. So we'll start off with the easy bit. So it's pinch on the 7, use any finger. Pinch again on the 7, down to 5, 3, pinch again. Everything off, pinch. 3, 7. Now for the 12, you're going to go up to here and use your pinky here. Just remember to use your pinky because we're going to have a little bar chord further down where we're going to need to use this finger. So if you've got your pinky on, it'll make the change much quicker. So we go from the 7th here up to the 12th with the pinky. Pinch again, down to the 10th, down to the 8th, just slide it down. Now at this stage of the game, we leave that on the 8th fret and we bar with that index finger the first 3 strings of the 5th fret. So those 2 fingers aren't doing anything, and that's barring. A little bit of a stretch, not too bad. Okay, so remember this finger here is on the 8th fret, close to that fret, pressing hard. This finger is on the 5th fret, pressing hard. So then we move our thumb when we get to bar number 9. Sorry, bar number 7. We move our thumb down to the 5th string. Now we're playing an A. So from the 7th bar we're playing an A. We play 6 bars of E, followed by an A here. So with this 5, 5, 5, 5, 8. That's what you see on the sheet there. So it's. Then we use this finger, take that pinky off and put the next finger on the next fret down. Take everything off except for the bar on the 5th. Back on it the other way around. So basically you take your pinky, that one off, that one back on, pinky back on. But use all the fingers obviously. So that's coming from the 12th. So it's now the next difficult change is again here. So what we do is we have to go to the 7th fret, we bar across the whole 7th fret. Like that. That finger's barred across the whole 7th fret. Then we take the Johnny Cash finger, we put that on the 3rd string on the 8th fret, and that's it. So we've got that kind of a half a bar chord there. Funny looking bar chord. In fact what it is if you think of a B, you're going to play a B bar chord on the 7th fret. That's a B, but without these 2 on. So it's a variation on the B. So you play that. Now this is where it gets tricky because it's difficult to get all those strings clean. Just do your best you can. Only comes with a lot of practice, months. So we play that one time. Then we put this finger, the ring finger, on the bottom string. We take it off again. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Take it off again. Now, the next thing, we leave everything as is, that initial bar, and we move the pinky up to the 11th. And that's a stretch. That's going to take you a while to get, because that's right up to the 11th fret. So you'll see two dots on your fretboard. It's the fret behind that, the 11th fret. So the two dots is the 12th fret. You want to move it to that one, the 11th fret. Okay, so we're going like this. Stretch, and then the 7th, that figure again on the 8th. Right? You can see it on the tab, that's bar 10. Bar 10 is this one. Bar 10 is. And then we have some blessed relief. And we go back to our very simple 7. 5, 3, 2, everything off. Now at this stage, bar 13, we just played an E now. This was an E. That's a variation on E, all of those. This is also a variation on E. Where is it? Now we're playing a B7. All you do is you actually put a B7 down, B7 chord, which we did just now in Leroy Brown. Again, move your thumb down to the 5th string, and you play that with the B7 shape. That's bar 13. Bar 14, keep the B7 shape, but instead of picking the 5th string as the root note, you pick the 4th string. So bar 14 starts off with that. Slide the pinky up 1 fret. Slide the pinky down 1 fret, back to the B7 shape. After that, we now go and play another E. E minor, put down the E minor shape, that gives a variation on E. Put down the A minor shape for bar 15, and then we play from the 4th string to the 5th string, and then we put the pinky on the 6th string on the 3rd fret to make a G there. And then just take that pinky off and pluck every string together. That's it. So that's part 1. Part 2 is a little bit more difficult. We'll learn that next week.